This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade FOREX Report with Scott Norse.
Good afternoon, traders. I'm Scott Norse here with your Forex report. Today is Tuesday, September 18th, 2007. While PPI and tick data were released early this morning, today's headliner was undoubtedly the FOMC rate decision. This was one of the most highly anticipated Fed meetings in years, as economists and investors bet on a reduction in the overnight lending rate for the first time in 4 years. The big debate was in how much the Fed would lower its target. Most believed the FOMC would lower the overnight rate from 5.25% to 5%, while about 20% of economists polled by Bloomberg expected a 50 basis point cut. The minority was right today, as the Fed cut both the overnight and discount rates by 0.5 point each. Members of the rate-setting committee cited increased risk to housing and the overall economy because of tighter credit conditions as the primary reason for today's move. Furthermore, the vote to cut 50 basis points was unanimous at 10-0. This aggressive move sent stocks sharply higher and sent the dollar in the opposite direction. If the greenback wasn't in enough trouble before, we now see almost no light at the end of the tunnel. The pressure on the greenback has been mounting for a long time, and slashing interest rates could be the nail in the coffin. While it is true that most other central banks in major economies have become far less hawkish in recent weeks, it is unlikely that any will follow the Fed in aggressively lowering rates. If today's move was only the first in what could be a series of cuts, the greenback really has little hope of recovering at this time. This initial sell-off was quickly reversed, but the market has since resumed in a bearish dollar direction. This definitely spells trouble for the buck ahead. Till tomorrow, have a wonderful night trading. Take care.